Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Near Protocol. We're going to double check a couple of key factors here on the back end, kind of see what's going on, and just help understand best practice big picture. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. Obviously, I do have a trading academy, community and signals group. Reference that link down below if you're curious, cryptocash.tech. We have a phenomenal Discord here. Super awesome traders here recently, guys. Keep up the good work. I'm super proud of you. A lot of good trades here too. I'm super impressed with this one, her AVAX. So we sent out a signal on Thursday of last week, 3 days ago, basically taking nice, healthy profits. Good job on that exit. And also being patient too, Providence. Appreciate that. I think it's really good. Some people get a little impatient when the price doesn't go instantly the way they want it to. And that's not swing trading, folks. Swing trading is setting it and forgetting it and just not even worrying about it. Okay, anyways, Near Protocol. What is this? Last 7 days here. Look back 7 days, we can see a lot of liquidation occurring. Okay, so this coin keeps hitting this bull flags and keeps sweeping these levels here. It's like almost like a system. So if you take a look here, 650 upwards of 715, all got destroyed. We got some late shorts, but not too much there. If we take a look at the last 12 hours, it'll probably be heavier concentration of shorts than longs, which we can probably see here. Actually, it's equally as much, so that's interesting. It's good to see some longs actually instead of just nothing but shorts. Truth is though, longs at 667 down as low as 640 could be swept or hit here next. So let's see if that's even a possibility. First of all, when you got bull flags here, folks, they obviously ramp up and have a tendency of flagging out again, right? So is this going to happen again? I'll tell you, statistically speaking, no, it's less likely, mainly because while most things happen in threes, candlestick patterns or patterns of this magnitude with bull flags, bear flags, pennants, you might see one or two in a row, but 3 in a row is a very tough ask. All right, so just some friendly advice. I think it's less likely for us to see a breakout moving forward. But again, we're not like massively overextended either here in the daily time frame. So I think we might actually have potential. So let's just go ahead and throw out some ideas here. First of all, we're above all moving averages, and just double checking that, we're looking fantastic. MACD is still converging here. We're not even dissipating. We're seeing more momentum. We can see RSI, very high. Money flow index, lower than I'd like, but we're seeing a second stochastic swing to the upside. So daily time frame, big surprise, is still very, very bullish. Okay, so Near Protocol is looking pretty awesome here. Does it entice me to want to just take a long position right now? Not really, even though that could be the possibility. Let's see here. First of all, 4 hour time frame, truly bullish on all sense of the word here. We got nice, healthy continuation here. Take a look at this 20-day SMA, giving us a pretty nice, higher low pattern here. Okay, again, pending we stay above this higher low pattern or set effectively this trend line, we should be in pretty good shape. Okay, obviously if it breaks below, it doesn't mean the sky is falling. It just means we got to pay closer attention. MACD is trying to diverge, well, sort of is, but not super hard. We can see stochastic is swinging down for a change here. Makes sense, of course, with this significant pullback or significant uptick and increase in price. RSI and money flow index kind of losing that 70 level, which is standard. This does imply that we should probably see the price continue to pull back a little bit further. You also want to pay attention to this money flow index here, or more so, sorry, the volume of the coin, right? Volume is still staying high right now, so it makes sense the price is maintaining itself. If this starts to dissipate, you want to make sure that you understand the price could pull back. So if you're in profit right now for this coin, don't be one of those greedy folks that's posting on Twitter, Telegram, or Discord as to how freaking awesome you are with a 75x leverage trade. Nobody cares about that. What a good trader cares about is consistency, and you can't find consistency if you're using that high of leverage. So I'm just recommending you adjust your stop loss higher, maybe lower your leverage amount. You're getting liquidated. That should never happen, by the way. We don't get liquidated in our community because we set realistic stop losses, but more importantly, we average in and out of our position. Okay? We take profits whenever necessary, and we do not walk away with money left on the table. Okay, so you want that for yourself. I recommend you jump on over, check it out. But I can tell you right now here at this point, this is not a perfect situation. While it looks mostly bullish, it does feel like there should be a pullback. Again, that pullback may not be super aggressive. It might just be down to this lower trend line here. We could even see, just simply, if this is the top, the price pull back to establish a lower low and a lower high. It's not like, I don't think the sky is going to fall with this coin, but I do feel like a pullback would make sense at this point. Either way you look at it, it's generally what we're seeing here. So take a look at the Ichimoku cloud. We can confirm here again, no reason to short this coin. By all means, leave your position open. This isn't even telling us to consider closing our position. So if you're in profit right now, again, that's why you adjust your stop loss higher. You don't necessarily have to close your trade. If you want to close part of your trade, simply close a portion of it, right? When we hit our first profit targets, we're taking an average of 60 to 80% in that first target. And yeah, we're setting goals every time we take a trade. If you take a trade arbitrarily and just kind of, flail in and out of coins, you're going to find yourself in a very, very difficult spot. So again, just some friendly advice. I say this to a lot of people that haven't joined our community yet and eventually will, because they typically get destroyed following a lot of other idiots online. It's best to be patient. And in this case here, there's no reason to close your long position. There's zero reason to consider a short. Even though the 4-hour time frame has some conflicting information, it doesn't imply it's going to drop. But it does tell us that there's less likelihood of further upside here. I don't think we should expect a third bull flag. I would think consolidation would be the best scenario here for us. If not, retracement this most recent high, which once again is roughly that 620 mark. So 620 is the previous resistance level for us. That's turned into a new support, so we're going to pay attention to that level. I would just say that would be a good consideration for entry. So I'm going to set an alert there in case the price comes close there. And just so you know, what I do when I set an alert, I reevaluate again and make sure it's worthwhile. I'm not just arbitrarily jumping in at 620 because I set an alert and days later I hit that. Okay, this may never happen. It's okay. You know what that is? That's called a missed opportunity, and I have no fear of it. All right, you shouldn't either. Okay, that's kind of where we're at there. Very last thing, a lot of folks are trading near protocol on Bitget, phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend using them. Link down below. They have no KYC or VPN required. If you use my link to register, you get awesome rewards. And they've just been really good to our community. Yes, there's a couple of little technical difficulties with people having slow internet, but generally speaking, they've been fantastic. Okay? So they always make it right. Thank you again. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, though. Appreciate your time. We'll see you in the next one.